Hello, my name is Miguel Churruca. I'm Marketing and Communications Director of Brainstorm. And here we are in collaboration with Canon at ISE 2024 to showcase advanced solutions for corporate presentations and virtual production in general. To start with, we want to show a scalable or modular virtual content creation. So in this case, we can start with Edison, which is our simple to use cost-effective product for corporate presentations that just requires a chroma set and a fixed camera such as this one, in this case the Canon R8. With Edison we can insert the talent into the real world or create a 3D world for him or for her and insert any kind of PPT or PDF file plus other rich media to enhance any kind of presentation that you may think of. So Edison is perfect for any kind of user that doesn't have an expertise in 3D or in corporate presentations. You just need to drop the presentation, as I mentioned before, and start moving it as you wish. You can use a simple clicker or a Stream Deck device to create all the movements and all the production of the presentation. Thanks for watching, and if you want more information, you can check it at www.brainstorm3d.com.